So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding about responsive design in Tailwind CSS, how you can actually add different classes on different device screens. So for that we actually add some breakpoints which are like this: SM, MD, LG, XL and 2XL. And you can see the minimum width it provides, like SM is for 640 pixels of devices, MD is for 768 and so on. This actually adds this CSS property or this CSS media queries, which we use for styling, basically for making responsive design in CSS. So actually we can style that by using this, like this, just like we did in hover. We added the hover state and after that we specified the CSS. So CSS classes actually. So similarly we can do this, but remember that the default classes which you provide in normal Tailwind CSS is actually decided for mobile first, which means it will take the mobile first design, and then after that if you specify this SM, so SM will be only available for the screens which will be greater than 640 pixels. And similarly it goes for the MD. If you specify MD, then that will go for this the screen devices which are more than the width of this 768 pixel. That will be applied only for those like devices or those screens. For example, if I add SM here, so right now the device width I have given is, or the element width I have given is 20 rem. So this 20 rem will be available for the mobile first, and then if I specify SM, so I'm telling this Tailwind CSS that I want small screen devices which are having the minimum width of 678, something like that, and greater than that you have to apply the styling to them only. So I can specify like this. So if I specify 300 here, for example, let's say 440 here, so what this will do is, so it will add the 40 pixel width to this element. Why it is adding that? Because the screen device or the browser width is right now greater than the small screen device, which is 640 pixel. That's why it is taking that width. If I make it smaller than 648, then it will take the default width which I have given to it. So that's why it is opposite in this case. So we are only providing these styles when this like this is not greater than smaller screen, then we can specify these styles for smaller screens or mobile devices. But if I add this LG here, so that will be available for the devices which are greater than the LG. So on that devices only the width will be changed. Otherwise it will remain only this 20 rem. So this is how we add the breakpoints in them. So you can see that now it is changed to this one. So similarly we can add the different breakpoints like LG, MD, XL, and the device size is already given to us. So that you can see here. So this is it. I think I have made you understand what is mobile first and all these things. You can add multiple styling like MD. You can also add, if you want to add different style for medium screen devices and for large screen devices, so you can add both of them. It doesn't matter if you add only one or more than one. So it will take only that specific style for those screens, and this one is for that only. So it will not affect the other ones or the lesser screen sizes. Only it will affect those screen devices which are greater than the LG size, which is defined upper in here. So this is actually responsive design in Tailwind CSS and how we add that. Basically we add some breakpoints and then we specify the styling. So this is actually we do. I hope you understood something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.